Van Mahotsav ase thoram moina pangthokpa khaknatana uwa thajununa umang wamang kanbada achoba tholang laminarsi haina Manipuri Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdorakli. Wafam ase ngasi Palace Compound leiba City Convention Center da the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Amadi Head of Forest Force na sinuna ek pet make nam 2.0 kolonina. Humfutara Taruk Suba Van Mahotsav celebration inglising ani kunmangagi grand finale gi thoramda phongdokibani. Thoram adu hojingai mangoinana Governor Luchingduna Kangla manungda u char sing thakipkulunana Thoram pangtokfam City Convention Center da handak state ase sin mathungna tongan ba district singda Van Mahotsav ki thoram pangtokibagi video sing semjillaga film on sumyam da utkibakulunana fresh and food high larik amasu phongki Governor na makhatardun hai umang kanba yokhatpa haibasi lengakta inthokpaknatna isa nasu achoba thodang lotuna pun honamnasi hawjik aying asagi khal kaitharakliba ase karidagi horakpano haibasi mayam loina khangnarabanina makhatarapagi oina asoiba thengnatanaba kari thodang lokhatsige haiba khanba matam oire nature bu kanbada akhoi khudingmakna responsibility lominasi haike.
Not just for the sake of planting, but growing them and watching them grow. Get the satisfaction out of when your planted tree grows. Here in Manipur, the wisdom of our people has always shown the way. The sacred groves with community managed forests is an idea which is there right since many years earlier. And it is pointing to time-tested system where nature is never taken more than it can give. These systems are now not outdated, they are powerful models of sustainability and we need to continue with them. The folk songs, festivals, rituals from Lora Fanet of the Tangkul to Chawanput of cookies to Kangchinga of Kabui all echo a deep spiritual connection with land, water and forest. These are not mere cultural practices, they are messages of gratitude and coexistence that must be passed on to our children.